Alright, listen. Everybody right now is obsessed with these free community funnels, Discord servers, school knockoffs, WhatsApp broadcasts, and Telegram groups. And every rookie thinks, bro, if I just build a community, prospects will magically turn into high-ticket clients. Let me save you months of pain. Your community sucks. It's dead, cold, full of broke people, emoji clickers, and window shoppers. You only attract unqualified leads. And the worst part, you build it exactly that way. In this video, I'm going to break down why 99% of free communities never convert, how everyone is funneling people in the most backwards, dumbest way possible, why your group attracts the worst leads on the internet, and how to build a warm group that actually turns into cash appointments and deals. Let's go straight into it. Here's the typical community funnel everyone copies. Content to CTA to join my free Discord or Telegram, and from there on, dozens of unqualified leads enter the group, and these equal 0 sales. It's the most beginner, low IQ, surface level funnel in existence. People actually believe if I just throw enough people into a group, they'll get warm and eventually buy. But this is not how buying psychology works. Here's the real truth. Free groups attract free people, and free people don't buy. They don't commit. They don't take action. They don't have the money. What you actually collect is broke agency kids, curiosity clickers, 15 years olds, entrepreneurs, ADHD scrollers, people with zero buying intent. This is not a warm audience. This is a dumpster. And then you're surprised no one buys. Everyone copies these community funnels because they see gurus say, my community funnel prints money. Yeah, because they use the community after qualification, not as a front end filter for everyone on the planet. The concept isn't wrong. The way you do it is wrong. So, as I've already explained to you, the community isn't the problem. How you use it is the problem. Here are the 3 fatal mistakes everyone makes. Mistake number 1, you funnel everyone in, even trash leads. If your CTA is, join my free group, join the Discord, join the Telegram, congrats, you build a freebie landfill, not a funnel. Mistake number 2, zero buy identity. Your group is a zoo. You cannot warm people up when they are teenagers, broke agency starters, crypto gamblers, coaches, random students, gym bros, fitness influencers, all sit in the same place. This is not a qualified ecosystem. That's chaos, and no one converts in chaos. Mistake number 3, you provide value instead of building buying behavior. Every rookie does this. They provide free tips, free trainings, daily value, motivational posts, funnel audits, value bombs. But in reality, value doesn't sell. Value makes people smart, not ready. People don't need more information. What they actually need is authority, trust, repetition, proof, social momentum, pressure, direction, confidence, and an identity shift. That creates buyers, not free fucking cheat sheets. Here's the brutal truth. A free group is not a top-of-funnel strategy. It's a mid-funnel conversion engine. Top-of-funnel free groups are useless. The correct sequence is content to a typeform, from the typeform to the VSL. If they do not book a call right away, the setter follows up, or even an automation, and from there on, only if they qualified, they are sent to the group. Not the other way around. Why? Because someone who enters your group after watching your VSL is problem conscious, solution aware, familiar with your face, familiar with your offer, and partly sold. That means that they are already invested with their attention. The group doesn't warm a cold lead, it pushes a warm lead to the close. That's the real difference between amateur tactics and real conversion architectures. When you send the invitation for the community after the VSL, 3 things happen. Number 1, leads you didn't book stay active instead of dying. What before happens, if they do not book, they are gone forever. What now happens is they stay warm for at least 30 to 90 days. Number 2, you create a buying environment, not a classroom. You post client wins, case studies, behind the scenes of your systems, real results, small Q&As. Here's how we fix X problem. And people subconsciously think, if this all is free, I want inside the paid program. Number 3, your setter becomes a sniper, not a beggar. They write, hey man, saw you reacted on the post about X problem. Want me to show you how to fix it properly? Now leads feel understood, not annoyed. This is what spikes your booking rate. All in all, here's exactly how you build it. Step number 1, you only invite people post VSL who show buying signals. No public links, no profile buttons, no mass invites. Only and only if your setter realizes that they are warm enough. That creates frame, respect, FOMO, and desire. Step number 2, the group is not an educational center. Stop over teaching. Start selling indirectly through showing them proof, case studies, soft pushes, identity content, breakdowns, wins, bold punchy statements, not hour-long fucking classes. Step number 3, use soft CTAs, not hard pushes. Never ever say book a call. Rather say, I'm taking 3 people this week to fix X. If that's you, reply ready. Now they self-qualify. That's why it converts. Because this is not a funnel for cold people. It's an accelerator for warm people. You're not nurturing strangers. You're finishing half-sold buyers. That's why it increases AOV, increases booking rate, increases show-up rate, increases close rate, and reduces lead cost, time wasted, and trash leads. This is how you scale. This is the real method behind the gurus who actually make money through those groups. Everyone thinks they have a community funnel, but 99% of you just have a free daycare center for unqualified leads. If you want a group that converts, stop adding random people, stop over teaching, stop behaving like a kindergarten teacher. Use the group as a mid-funnel conversion machine. Use it for people who already want you and build an environment that makes them buy faster, not think longer. If you want me to break down the idea of not think longer, if you're looking forward to not think longer, and if you actually want help building this properly, not just the community, but the entire revenue architecture, from your Typeform to the VSL to your warm-up ecosystem to the retargeting structure, to build a system that consistently hits 10x ROAS, then and only then use the link in the description, book a free 15 to 30 minute call, and let's see if we are a good fit.